Hi my friends, okay, so now I have taught you how to create your first campaign, and now I'm going to show you how to add your first message. So we first of all need to click onto this link, add or edit your messages, and we need to click on the campaign, and I'm going to click on this one. And then what we need to do is find a subject line, and the body text, and that can either be in plain text or HTML. I'll use plain text today. Okay, so here we go. What I've done, because this is only a demo, I'm just gone over to the Buildabizonline, and I've come down to pre-written ad copies. Okay, so first of all, let's copy the subject line and put that in there. So that was painless enough. And then let's go over here, and I'm going to copy the body. Okay, to your success, copy. You don't need to send a link with every single one, by the way. And I'm just going to left click in that box and then right click and click paste. Okay, now we will add a link this time, but you don't need to do that on your first one. https:// Okay, so that is my referral link at Buildabizonline, and we need to keep this as is. We need to keep this as is. And please follow this. If this is your first message, leave 1 in the box. Okay, I know that a lot of autoresponders, you put 0 in the box, but we have no such thing as 0. It's 1. Okay, now on the second message, you can leave 1 in there for 1 day after this message, or 2 days for 2 days after this message, and so on. But all we need to do, make sure that it's all looking good. That will become clickable when people see it. Okay, so close that down, that's looking good, and then add the message. Okay, so if we click on that now again, come down to step 1, we should see in the list, and there it is. We can edit it anytime we want, and we can delete it by clicking on there. So that's it. Simple. That is how to add your first message. Now, there's a mention here of spam, so we'll cover that next. Okay, so if you come back over to Buildabizonline and you click this link down here, this is our blog articles, and there is one in there, and it is all about spam. So if you come over here and just click blog articles and have a look, you'll see keep spam out of your messages. Now, spam filters tend to red flag subject lines both in emails and autoresponder messages, so you've got to be really, really careful. When you start promising things, they start flagging up spam. They don't like it. So exaggerations, we've got here superlative exaggerations like once in a lifetime, or miracle, amazing, incredible, mind-blowing, banned, secret. Okay, how can it be a secret if you're telling somebody? How strange that is. And then you've got hidden calls to action with high pressure. Click here, buy now, only so many left, and so on. Excessive punctuations and symbols like this sort of thing, and stars and instant. And then you sometimes, dear friend, well, they're not a friend until you've made them a friend. So read through this anyway, and then use spam filters like Mail Test and Glock apps. There's another one there, and that will help you to make emails and, well, subject lines as well, and get them right first time. So there we have it. So what we've done in this is shown you how to add your first message, and there it is just there. So now I've shown you that, we'll see you in the next video. So bye for now.